the mysterious gathering of the second largest fish on the planet. The basking shark, Cetorhinus maximus, the second largest fish in the ocean, reaching lengths of up to 12 meters and weighing as much as 4 tons, has been spotted gathering in large numbers near the coast of Ireland. This is surprising, as basking sharks are typically solitary creatures, often swimming alone in vast open waters. The unusual congregation of these giants has captured the attention of marine biologists. In one significant study, researchers tracked a single basking shark named Banda, with a chip placed on its dorsal fin. Banda's migration from the cold waters off Ireland to the tropical seas of West Africa spanned nearly 5,000 kilometers. After spending months near Ireland, Banda journeyed to the warm, nutrient-rich waters of Africa. The tracking data revealed that the shark spent several weeks in certain areas, suggesting a purposeful movement linked to feeding and other biological needs. Researchers believe the migration of basking sharks is driven by 4 key factors: mating, reproduction, feeding, and the need to respond to changes in water temperature. Basking sharks are highly sensitive to temperature fluctuations, which affect their movement. Studies show that these sharks gather in areas where water temperatures range between 12 to 16 degrees Celsius, which is optimal for both the sharks and their primary food source, plankton. As plankton migrations align with seasonal changes, basking sharks travel great distances to follow the plankton blooms. Feeding is another primary reason for their migration. These filter-feeding giants move to areas rich in plankton, particularly during warm seasons when these food sources are abundant. Their method of feeding involves swimming with their mouths wide open, filtering water to capture plankton. This feeding behavior drives their migration, with many sharks traveling from colder waters to warmer seas, like those near Africa or the Mediterranean. Mating and reproduction also influence their movements, though little is known about their exact breeding locations. It is believed that sharks congregate during specific times of the year, although concrete evidence of mating is scarce. Some studies suggest that basking sharks' seasonal migrations align with reproductive cycles, but further research is needed. The gatherings of basking sharks near Ireland, particularly in the summer months, are linked to the abundance of plankton in the area. During this time, the coast of Ireland becomes a key feeding ground for these giant fish. Although basking sharks are usually solitary, the availability of food likely causes these temporary gatherings. Advancements in tracking technology have been crucial in understanding basking shark behavior. Satellite tags and GPS trackers allow researchers to follow their movements across vast distances, providing valuable insights into their migratory patterns and the environmental factors that influence them. Studies by the University of Southampton have shown that satellite tagging is key to uncovering the shark's long-distance travels and responses to temperature changes. While the gatherings near Ireland are intriguing, scientists continue to monitor these migratory patterns to better understand basking sharks' behavior, reproductive habits, and responses to climate change. The complexity of their migration underscores the importance of preserving healthy marine ecosystems, especially as warming waters may force sharks to adjust their routes. By continuing research and conservation efforts, scientists hope to ensure the survival of basking sharks and other marine species that rely on stable ocean conditions. Understanding their behavior not only informs us about the sharks themselves, but also about the health of the ocean's ecosystems, which are vital to marine life.